Today we live in an age of advertising that follows us everywhere. In addition to traditional sources such as television, media, and street advertising, new ones have appeared: geo-targeted advertising in social mobile networks and internet sites. However, about 70% of purchasing decisions are still made on the sales floor because shoppers want to see and touch the product with their own hands. Understanding and accepting this fact, we strive to become closer to the client and invite you to visit our facility, which is located only 15 minutes from the airport in Houston, where we manufacture mining containers. This unique opportunity will allow you to get acquainted with the various stages of container assembly and see our high-quality production and advanced innovative technologies that we use. This is a great opportunity to discuss how you want your mining container to be. Everything is possible at this stage. We are open for your ideas and your dream mining pod. You have high cube structure with the wide and tall racks. Do you want customized, your only mining pod? We can customize it in real time, staying in touch with you during every stage of construction. With the Fab Shop in Houston, Texas, you will have access to your only product. We are inviting you to participate in every stage of design and construction. From color picking to decisions on UL or CE parts, PDU versus hardwired, etc. Additionally, we offer low-cost upgrade options: smart PDUs, surveillance system up to 4 cameras, fire and smoke detection system with notification options, and remote emergency shutoff. Controlled access. Keys or card access control can be tied in with the remotely controlled surveillance. You'll also have a great opportunity to see with your own eyes our mining containers both outside and inside via video call. Contact us and we will give you a virtual tour of our facility with a detailed demonstration of containers. We provide 12 months warranty and 24/7 post-sales product support. Every customer is important,